What's up, everyone? It's Mr. Maramble coming at you with more science. Today we are going to answer this question. Can mixing materials create a new material? We know for a fact that mixing sugar into water does not create a new material, even if the sugar does disappear. It is just sugar and water particles mixed together. In your data table, you will read that we are mixing our 6 materials with iodine and then mixing our 6 materials with vinegar. We are observing 1, how the material interacted, and 2, what it looked like after we mix the material with either iodine or vinegar. Let's go ahead and begin mixing it first with iodine. For those who don't know, iodine is a mineral. Now, it can be corrosive and staining, so we don't want it to get on our skin. Let's begin with sugar and iodine. So we are putting 6 drops of iodine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's now check out salt with iodine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the shapes, the color, and maybe the differences between this and the sugar. Let's move to cornstarch and iodine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mix it together. Now, what does it look like? Baking soda and iodine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mix. This is baking soda after mixing. It's very hard. Powder and iodine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you can't see it, there are bubbles forming with this baking powder and iodine. And this is baking powder after mixing with iodine. Alum and iodine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's mix. What does this remind you of from our other materials? These are all 6 materials mixed with iodine. Our next section, we will be mixing each material with vinegar. Remember, you are writing down your observations on 1, how the material interacted, whether there's bubbles or something when it first touched together, and 2, what the solution looked like after mixing the 2 together. Let's start with sugar and vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As I mix it, I don't know if you can hear that, but this sugar is rock solid. Salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drops of vinegar. I don't know if you can hear it, but still, rock hard. Cornstarch and vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you do not see that, that is a bubble. Mixing time. After mixing cornstarch and vinegar. Baking soda and vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's mix. After mixing baking soda and vinegar. Baking powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Baking powder and vinegar. Alum and vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if you can hear the scholars, but hard as a rock. Make sure you have the rest of your data table completely filled out before turning it in.